This video explores the core concepts that define how stepper and servo motors interact with reality, looking at the philosophy of motion, faith versus feedback. We see the divergence in control theory. Stepper motors use an open loop, operating on blind faith by sending signals without verifying the position. Servo motors use a closed loop, relying on continuous correction from an encoder or sensor. The stepper motor provides precision through incremental rigidity. It operates using pre-calculated steps and has exceptional holding torque. However, its limitation is the lack of a feedback loop, meaning it cannot self-correct if a step is skipped. The servo motor achieves precision through constant adaptation. Its high-speed negotiation between the controller and the motor maintains high torque and speed. The built-in encoder provides the essential feedback for high-precision industrial reliability. When examining the torque-speed trade-off, stepper motors dominate at low speeds or holding torque, while servo motors dominate at high speeds and acceleration. There is a notable efficiency gap. Stepper motors suffer from a constant drain, consuming significant power even just to hold a position. Servo motors, however, are on demand, drawing power efficiently and achieving 80 to 90% efficiency. The cost of precision is evident in the upfront differences. Steppers offer low hardware cost and a plug-and-play setup. Servos demand higher hardware costs, complex tuning, and technical expertise, but they deliver adaptability. The stepper motor thrives in applications like 3D printing, which requires high holding torque, low speed operation, and predictable loads, making, quote, blind faith an acceptable risk. The servo motor's realm is in industrial robotics, where complex, varying loads, high-speed acceleration, and non-negotiable precision are crucial. They also provide smooth and quiet operation. A technical breakdown shows key differences. Steppers use open-loop control and are simple to use, while servos use closed-loop control and require tuning. Servos are highly efficient and critical for varying loads. The selection logic guides us to choose a stepper when the application is low speed, cost is a priority, and the load is predictable. Choose a servo when high speed, significant load variation, or critical feedback is required. Ultimately, the choice of motor is defined by the application. For steady, predictable, cost-conscious tasks, trust the stepper. For dynamic, high-speed variable tasks, rely on the servo.